Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comps. Well, we have a mixed trade this morning. Overnight prices started out lower and trying to see if we can correct from Friday's bounce after the USDA put out lower than expected acres that farmers have enrolled in the corn, soybean programs this year. And then when the rains moved across the Midwest, they missed parts of eastern Iowa, northern Illinois, and also Indiana and Ohio, and the market has bounced on that. Nearby beans are up about 7 or 8 cents, while November's only up about a penny. Corn's up 2 cents, but wheat's down 4 cents. So I think when we look at the forecast this week, the northern half of the Midwest is supposed to get good rains. There's daily chances of those rains, and the extended outlook really doesn't call for any early frost or freeze for the Midwest. So, you know, we may be backing away from these price levels if the rains do materialize. Also, we'll be watching to see how the market reacts to these lower FSA acreage numbers. One analyst took his corn carryout down about 200 million bushels. And that's including a 200 million bushel drop in export numbers because of these new acres. They also dropped their soybean carryout about 60 million bushels, again because of these lower acres. So this rain event, final yields, will be pretty key to see whether or not these carryouts actually drop from the current USDA numbers, if they're adequate enough to lower prices, or if we keep prices right here in a trading range until we get closer to harvest. Outside markets, so far, Russia has not invaded Ukraine. That should help the stock market this morning. Most commodities are lower, and the wheat market's lower because of that also. So we're watching U.S. weather. We'll be watching the USDA crop condition reports tonight. We'll be watching the weekly export inspections, and we'll be watching to see that most global world bankers and economists are meeting this week in the United States to discuss the world economy. We'll see what kind of comments we got out of them. And also Fed Chairman will be speaking on Friday at the end of the meetings. This also is the week where Pro Farmer goes out and looks at crops and puts together a corn yield estimate and a soybean pod count. And so daily reports from them may have an impact on prices too. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.